Hello, on today's video I'm going to show you the simplest and fastest way to get screenshots from your desktop or laptop computers. I'm talking about a screenshot of anything, videos, images, documents, anything for any purpose. If you have Windows PC, Windows 10 computer or laptop, it's very easy. I'm going to show you right now. What you need to do is get ready your image, whatever you want to take a screenshot, get it ready. To do the snipping, you go down on the left hand lower corner right here. As you can see, you see the cursor right there. In that search box, type S. Once you type S, you will see this pop-up where it says snipping tool with the scissors. Click on that snipping tool. Click. Once you click it, there's a snipping tool right there. Here, look at what it says mode. Click the arrow down arrow, and you have many choices. You have freeform snip, which is you can just make circles and all kind of stuff and different form. So it's a freeform. You can have rectangular snip, which is a rectangular square. A window snip, you can take a window, the whole window snip, or a full screen snip. I'm going to do the second one, the rectangular snip. But first, I'm going to bring my image that I have already, the window, the website that I found the image I want to snip. So there it is. Here is the screen I wanted to take a screenshot of. Where is my snipping tool? Here it is. I'm going to move it out. Once you click that, you make sure you take it out of the way before you click new. Because if you click new, any image on the screen, so get it away from the image that you want the screenshot. So click new, and when you do that, the whole window, the whole screen is going to turn gray. It's okay. So I'm going to start right here on the corner, like so. And when you are satisfied that's the image you wanted, let go. Boom, you have it right there. Right there. That's my image that I snipped, or the screenshot I took right there, right now. Here it is. And the original image on the website is just behind it, right there. Here is the snip, or the screenshot, and the original is behind it. As easy as that. Once you took the screenshot, make sure to save it. In order to save it, click File, Save As, and specify a location. In my case, I'm going to save this screenshot image into my desktop and give it a name. I'm going to give it a name, cell phone. And hit save. That's it. It's done. Now I'm going to quit the snipping tool. I'm going to minimize the website. Now let's look if that image is on my desktop. Here it is, right there. This is the image, the screenshot image I took from my screen on my computer, on my laptop. I'm going to double click it. There it is. It's so clear, nice, crisp. You can use it for anything. I use them to make flyers on Photoshop. You can use it for anything you want. Okay guys, this is it for today. And as you can see, that was very simple and straightforward. You just go to the search box in the bottom lower left hand corner and type S, and then you click the snipping tool, and then you have it. You can get a screenshot of anything you want. Until next video, Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now.